Let's tell you, schoolgirl football finishes this week. When that is over, beware, beware.
This is a do or die. On Saturday, May 9, when the clock strikes 3:30 p.m. at the Waterhouse Mini Stadium, the Jamaica Women's Premier League delivers a blockbuster decider. Real Mona versus Cavalier. 2 teams, 1 mission. Survival.
Everyone wants to go to the final. Everybody wants to win, but there will only be 1 winner.
For Cavalier, it's simple. Win and they're through to the semi-finals. After falling just short as last year's beaten finalists, they're back with unfinished business and eyes locked on redemption.
All the way. Yes, man, we're going all the way.
But standing in their way, a story years in the making. Real Mona back in the league for the first time since 2019 and now on the brink of history. A victory doesn't just keep their season alive, it puts them within reach of their first semi-final appearance.
If the final comes to knocking, then the title will become.
Everything on the line, every tackle matters, every moment defines the season.
It can show that we have been putting in the work.
Everything in our system.
Legacy or heartbreak, this is more than a match. This is the decider. Watch it live on the Jamaica Women's Premier League YouTube channel and on PBCJ.